Hello everyone, welcome back to Testing for Everyone YouTube channel. And so on this video, I will show you how we can install and set up Android emulator on your workstation. Here we have the list of the well-known software to have an Android emulator on your computer. The first on Android Studio and BlueStack and Genymotion. If we enjoy your game on your laptop, mm, I think you can know BlueStack and Genymotion. However, on this video, we focus on Android Studio because this is the main software and developed by Android. There's we can use Android Studio to set up emulator for test your application. Okay, and in order to install Android Studio, we can open browser and go to Android Studio, and here we go to this URL developer.android.com. That's studio. Okay, and on this page we can use um, Android Studio provide the link. We can download the file to install your Android Studio on your laptop. Here, especially when we use Windows uh, 64-bit, we need to install the suitable version to into your laptop. Okay, and I click on download Android Studio, and Android Studio show the term and condition. We should click on I have read and agree with the term and condition, and click on download button. And after that, we download the installation file. It takes us some minutes. Okay. Okay, after we download successfully Android Studio installation file, we click to open the file and click on run button. Okay, then we can get the Windows installation to install Android Studio in your Windows. Okay, click next, and then we should check on this checkbox and click next button and click next button and click on install, and the install progress take us a couple of minutes, and then we can see installation complete. The setup was complete successfully, and we can click next button, and we can see if we want to start Android Studio right now, we can take on this checkbox. Okay, I take on this checkbox and click finish, and after that our Android Studio will be running. Okay, okay, and we will have some the setup step when we had the first run on your Android Studio, and we can if we because of I already installed the Android Studio before, then so I have a previous version here. If we don't want to use the setting on your Android Studio in the previous installation, we can click on import the setting. I click on don't import the setting on the previous installation. Okay, I click OK, and my Android Studio is running and set up some the first step. Okay, you can see the Android Studio install some add-on. Okay, we can see the welcome Android Studio window. Okay, we can click on next, but before we should choose the option send or don't send use statistic to Google. I don't want to send what activity I run on my Android Studio. Then I click on don't send. Okay, and click on next. To and I recommend you should use a standard. And click next. On this step, we can choose the color or light theme. I like it you the light theme because I always run and record the video, and I think the light theme is better for us now to view my video. Okay, I click next. And then you can see the current setting. Android Studio will run and install some package look like Android emulator, Android SDK Build-in 32, and then Android SDK platform tool, and another packet. If we run, because on my laptop I run with the Intel chip, then Android Studio will run the package Intel chip emulator accelerator. Okay, right. I click next button, and then um, Android Studio asks us the license agreement. I click accept the agreement with Android Studio, and then I click the finish. Okay, and then in the previous step I explained to you, Android Studio should install the sub package, and then we should wait the Android Studio have the setup step for the initial packet. Okay, yeah, we can get this window. The status of the packet was installed. Okay, we can click on finish button. Yeah, and then the first step we can install Android Studio successfully.